Hi, you're watching NDTV Swirlster, and today I have with me the L'Oreal Paris Elnit Satin Hairsprays. Now I have them in two variants. One is normal strength, the other is extra strength. They are also in two different sizes. As you can see, I am going to tell you all about these products, my experience using them, as well as close-ups of these hairsprays. So don't miss a second and keep watching. First up, I have with me the L'Oreal Paris Elnit Satin Hairspray in normal strength. As you can see, this is a very large sized can. It contains 400 ml of product. At the back of the golden colored metal can are details about how you can use it, as well as what are the ingredients in this formula. This can cost approximately rupees 750, and the top dispenser is a plastic with white color. This is what it looks like. I'll show you how it sprays just a little later. Before that, I have the second variant, which is the L'Oreal Paris Elnit Satin Hairspray with extra strength. As you can see, this is the smaller size. It contains 75 ml of product. The details are the same as the larger size. Everything you can see is the same except the size overall. It costs approximately 250 rupees. This is what it looks like. Now, to offer you a spray of this is how the product sprays. So I am really glad that the Elnit Satin Hairsprays from L'Oreal are finally available in this part of the world, because I have been a loyal user of this hairspray for ages. If you want proof, this is it. This is my own can of hairspray, which I have actually been using for years. In fact, celebrity hairstylists and a lot of expert hairstylists who I have witnessed doing hairstyles and who work in the whole hairstyle sphere have used this on the models that they work with, the celebrities they work with, and I've seen them use this hairspray, which is where I picked up this product from so many years ago. So I am genuinely glad that it is finally available easily, and it is also very easily accessible online as well. I really like this hairspray. If you didn't get that already, I am genuinely a user of it. I have been for years, and because this is the case for many reasons, I think that it actually holds hairstyles really well, but at the same time it doesn't feel crunchy, it doesn't feel heavy in the hair. In fact, you will not get any kind of residue once you have finished with your hairstyle and you want to be done with it. You can simply just brush it off. Your hair will not feel uncomfortable when you use this kind of a hairspray, and it really does hold your hairstyle in place very well. I have used it with a number of hairstyles, whether it be braids, it be straight hair, curls, etc. It has held it very well. It holds it well, and it feels comfortable at the end of the day. It doesn't feel like there is weight on the crown of your head. But I would say a grouse that I have with this product is the smell of it. It can smell very strong and chemical, so you have to take care of that. I think when you are spraying, there are certain precautions you need to maintain when using hairspray. For one, you have to hold it at the proper distance in order for it to get a fine mist, or else it can be more like a liquid being applied on your hair. So there are precautions that you have to take when you are using a hairspray like this. But once you get out of that learning curve, you've perfected it, it is a breeze to use it. There isn't much technique really, you just have to learn the right way to use it, and overall it makes hairstyling a very enjoyable experience. I for one have seen the effects of humidity affect a hairstyle overall. It can tend to make the hair sweaty, and it can bring out frizz in the hair, especially in a tropical climate like ours. So this kind of a hairspray prevents that from happening. It stops frizz from coming out of the hair. It stops hair from breaking out of the hairstyle that it is put in, and it holds it in place for a number of hours that you wish the hairstyle holds on for. I really enjoy using this product and I hope you like this review of it.